Hi, my name is Rida and welcome back with another video. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to add logo in your icon and how to add tagline and what is icon and what is tagline. Let's go. Visit your site. Okay, the WordPress WC here. This is the site icon. And if you want to add some line over here, for example rear tag, you see the rear tag over here, you want to add some line over here. I'm gonna tell you how to do it. Very simple. Okay, let's start. Here you see a customize option, click on customize and you see some option over here in this go site identity. Scroll down and you see a select site icon option. Click select your logo. Okay, select your logo and select here crop image. Okay, if you don't know how to create a logo for free, let me in comment. I will definitely make a video for how to create a logo for free. As you can see, it appears on here. And if you want to some tagline enter, for example you want to write here, for example, welcome to Ria Tech. Click here and click on publish and have a look how your website is look now. So as you can see, the tagline over here, for example, uh, I'm click on that, and you can see now a word is will come. A word we write in tagline is now Reatech. Welcome to Reatech. You can add any tagline if you want, and you can see the site logo is appear on here. Hope this video gonna help you. If you have any query and question, ask me in comment. I will help you.